Okay, so we are trying to solve a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2020. In this question, which is from permutation and combination, we are supposed to find the 6-digit numbers which can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And we have to ensure that all the digits are used at least once. Okay, so as you can understand, there is a problem here that we have got to form a 6-digit number, right? So and then every digit has to be used once. So it means that, I'm just saying that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, for example, this is one of the numbers in which all these digits are used once. And there is still one empty space, and that empty space has to be filled by one of these numbers. Then only it can work, right? So in one of the situation, what can happen is that I can repeat a digit 1, right? So if you are looking at this combination, which is the first time, how many ways we can actually arrange these numbers in a line, right? So this is given by factorial 6 upon factorial 2 because there are totally 6 numbers and then one is repeating twice. So that is the reason it will be factorial 6 upon factorial 2. In other case, it would be something like maybe a 3, 3. You will have 3, 3 and then 1, 5, 7, 9. So there you are repeating 3 and then you would be repeating 5, you would be repeating 7 and you would be repeating 9. So there are such 5 such cases. Like this is case 1, then case 2 and case 3 and case 4 and case 5. So as in you could say that you can choose 1 out of 5 number in 5C1 way. So this is 5 ways we can actually choose to repeat a number. So that is all we will have. So this is what will be our answer, that 5 into root 6 upon root 2. And that is what will give us our answer. So now let's try to solve this. What we will get here is 5 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And then we have got 2 into 1. So 2 cancels out. Then what we get is 5 into 5, which is 25 into 4, which is 100, and then 18, which is 1800. So 1800 is what is our answer here. Okay. So only thing which we have to understand is that there is to be a 6-digit number which has to be formed here. And then every digit has to be used once. So one of the digit only has to be repeated one more time. It can't be that I can repeat 1 3 times. If I do that, then I will be left with only 3 spaces and then I cannot use all the digits, rest of the digits, right? So this is the only approach which can happen and you can understand that once you decide to repeat 1, then this is a simple case of like arranging 6 numbers in a line wherein 2 of these numbers are repeating, which will be factorial 6 upon factorial 2. And then 5 such cases will arise, and then that is the reason you are multiplying by 5. So that is all it is. So it's 1800 is your answer. This was a very simple question. If it clicks, and you can just actually do this in a quick 1 minute or so. All right. If you have got any questions about this or any other questions, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be really happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.